I know there are four things that are near and dear to a formulator's heart. One is market trend, the other one is customer need, the third one is ease of formulation, and the fourth one is performance, cost performance. So market trends are sustainability is a big market trend right now, and Aspire G offers the sustainability by being concentrated and less packaging and less shipping cost. Customer needs are for a customer or a formulator is looking for a product that can be easily formulated and has a good cost performance benefit. And both of these are in Aspire G product. It offers both of these advantages in customer needs. It's easy to formulate and it has excellent cost performance advantage.